Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Christine Sauer. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about bone broth. You probably heard a lot about it and you think it's hard to make, the kitchen gets smelly. It's not true. The easiest way to make it is in the slow cooker. The first thing you use is bones. Either a chicken carcass from a roasted chicken or roasted beef bones. Can be from a steak or whatever you have for bones. Best, of course, is pasture chicken, grass-fed beef. It increases the value immensely. All you need to do is think about what you want to do with the bone broth. Usually what I love to do is make a nice vegetable soup or chicken soup with it. The easiest way not to waste anything is, instead of what many recipes on the web say, to use a whole carrot, a whole onion, a whole thing of stalk of celery and so on. Use the cut-offs. You'll throw away you'll strain the bone broth at the end through a strainer, and everything in it, including the bone residue and also the vegetable residue, will be thrown away. So why waste the good part of the vegetables that we want to eat? Use from the carrots, peel the carrots, use the peelings. Cut up the onion, use the peelings. There's nothing wrong with it. On the contrary, most nutrients are in the peelings. Don't worry about a little bit of food. It gets cooked for 24 hours. All the bugs are dead. Even the good ones. All right. But don't forget to add to the bones some vinegar. I love apple cider vinegar, but any vinegar will do. And let it simmer 24 hours on low in the slow cooker for chicken broth, 48 hours in the slow cooker for beef bone broth. After that, strain it, cool it down. If you don't want the whole fat, remove the fat that is layering on top, and the rest you use for soup. And in the near future, I'll show you how I make my chicken soup. Yummy. So why is bone broth good for you? If you do it the way I'm asking you to, it not only contains gelatin, which is good for you, it contains glutamine, which helps restore your gut health. It contains lots of minerals that leach out of the bones. That's why it's so important to use a good kind of bones that contains all the trace minerals you want. And there's other substances that leach out that you want. So Grandma was right. Chicken soup is good for colds, but only if it's made with real bone broth. And it's easy to make at home. That's it for today. Have a wonderful Wednesday. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment below and I'll answer them next week. Okay, see you next week. I'm Dr. Christine. All the best. Have a great day. Bye-bye.